Good afternoon, guys. Hello, hello. Cameras on. Lakshmi, Harsha, please, cameras on. Guys, how is your energy today? How is it going? Is it high energy? Do we want a spicy class? Do we want like normal class? Spicy. Spicy, huh? Shall we do scorpion today? Handstand scorpion. Huh? Yes? Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. We are training for it. Yes? If you tell me yes, I go all in, huh? Otherwise, I give you something else. We are working on shape, so we can work in anything. Chintamani, you're speaking, you're mute. If you want to speak, unmute, unmute.
Alpha Scorpions.
Scorpions. Anyone else? Yes, Meghna? Amazing. Shall we do scorpion, guys? Yes? No fear? Good. Even if there's fear, guys, we will do with the wall. Don't worry about it. Yes? Good. Let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om together. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Let's start this tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Make sure you are wrist, elbow, shoulder in one line. Tuck toes under. Engage your fingertips. And inhale, cow position. Exhale, cat. Inhale, two. Exhale, round. Inhale, three. Exhale, round. Inhale, four. Exhale, round. Inhale, five. Exhale, round. Inhale, six. Exhale, round. Inhale, seven. Exhale, round. Inhale, eight. Exhale, round. Inhale, nine. Exhale, round. Last one, inhale and hold. Cow position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, present round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. Very good. Now we're going to take 2 blocks. Place them shoulder distance apart. Yes. Elbows at the top. Palms together. Step back. You're going to inhale, arch, look forward. Okay? Forward as in front of you. Exhale, present round. Fully. Inhale, you arch from the spine, look forward. Exhale, round fully. Let's start. Inhale, 1. And round. Inhale, 2. And round. Inhale, 3. And round. Inhale, 4. And round. Inhale, 5 and hold. Open and hold. Look forward with your eyes. Keep pressing elbows. 30-second hold. Keep pressing elbows. Eyes forward, Sajni. Urvashi. Eyes forward, guys. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press elbows round and slowly bring the knees forward to release the pose. Very good. Now, keep the blocks towards one side. You will press the hands, tabletop position, engage the fingers. Yes, shift weight forward, keep the core engaged and center. 2 and center. 5 times. Yes, ready? 1, core engage, center. 2, center. 3, center. 4, press the palms down. 5, and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. 1 tiny step forward with the hands. Watch me for a moment. We will bring the weight forward to the hands. Arch. Yes. Chest down. Lift. Upward facing dog. Tuck toes under. Downward facing dog. And then from here, we will make it more fluid. Knees down. Chest chin. Slide. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. 5 times. I want you to focus on the knees. I arch. Open. 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 Exhale. Yes? Mark every position. Don't, you make it fluid, but mark everything. Yes? Don't just pass in between poses. 5 times at your own pace. Terence, start. Don't skip it, please. It's important. 5 times only, huh? Whoever finished, child's pose. Good. Very good. Now, we will take downward facing dog. So from tabletop, yes, that's your measurement for downward facing dog. Now here, you will lift the right leg up. Pay attention first, bend the knee. Yes, but do not open the hip, just bend the knee. Bend the knee, keep the leg engaged, keep pressing with the hands. And then you will shift to plank. Yes, like this. 1, press with the hands, 3 leg dog. Forward, arch, and here. So when I come forward, my shoulders come on top of the wrist. I keep lifting the leg up. So I engage the glutes, yes? Maybe it's not visible in camera because I'm wearing black, but I'm not externally rotating. I'm lifting up and using the glute, using the cow position to come forward, eyes forward, and toes up. As if you want to touch. Yes? And then from here, I press the hands, extend back. And again, exhale here. Sorry, inhale here and then exhale when you go back. Yeah? 3 leg dog, 2. Plank scorpio, 1. And back. I want you to move slowly, slowly. Feel the shoulders on top of wrist and then go. Yes? Take the measurement from tabletop, downward facing dog, and we start. At your own pace, 5 reps, 1 leg. Yes, Ines, good. Yes, Terency. Pragya, yes. Meghna, yes. Urvashi, bend the knee, bend the knee. Up, lift the knee high, high. Ha. Rima, the knee up. Yes, Lakshmi. Don't drop the hips low, guys. Come to plank. The shoulders remain on top of the wrist. The spine is arched like in cow position. Use the glute to lift the leg up. 5 reps, 1 leg. Then change. Ines, you're very close to touch. Change leg. Anupama Singh, the leg that is on the floor remains straight. So when you shift weight forward, keep the right leg straight right now. Lift the other knee up. Up, up, up. Rima, yes. Arch more, arch more. You're going too fast, Rima. Go slower, yes. Arch, lift the knee, up, up, up. Up to the sky, toes up, yes. Pragya, don't drop the hips so much. Pragya, blue t-shirt. Stay here. Bend the knee, lift the knee up, yes. Good. 5 and 5. We did 5 and 5? Yes? Ladies, are you here? Did we do 5 and 5? 5 each side, yes? Yes or no? If you need more time, I give you. But I feel some of you are doing infinite repetitions. Yes, guys, this is a tricky one. Yes, we cannot drop the hips. Watch me from the other leg. Maybe it's more visible like this. We cannot drop the hips down and then do this. Some of you are doing this. The shoulders have to come here. Yes, lift the knee up. Think of arching. Don't only lift the head. Think of bringing the belly down. Yeah, and I want to do the arch. Here, same arch here. Yes, and I keep bringing chest forward. I keep thinking of lifting from the belly. Don't think of arching from the lower back. Yeah? Now, we will do similar on the wall. Yes? So, watch me first. This is to help us understand, yeah? So, we will go towards the wall, tabletop position, lift the leg up. Yes, so the top of the toes, let me do all the legs so you can see better. Top of the toes pressing, the hands are pressing, otherwise they will collapse. So press and lift. Yes, we will hold here first. Those who feel comfortable, you can reach back for a deeper stretch. Yes, you will feel it in the psoas, you will feel it in your back. But think of belly down. If you only arch, you will collapse. Collapse in the sense like all the weight will come in the lower back. We don't want that. Always think of lifting here. Yes? We press, guys, with the top of the foot against the wall. The hands are pressing to the floor and the top of the foot is pressing against the wall, yeah? Opposite forces, legs straight. Okay? Let's go. 3, we are holding 30 seconds. 2 and 1. Good. Press with the hands, guys. Take the hands. Seriously, no, Sachini, you're doing good. Arms straight. Don't go on your elbows. Keep the palms pressing down, eyes forward. Imagine you are in the scorpion. Visualize arching fully. Legs straight. Don't bend the knee, Chintamani. Legs straight for now. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring the knee down or the leg. Guys, keep your eyes forward. It's so important, the eyes. What happens if I don't bring my eyes forward? Yes, if I start doing this, my spine starts to compromise. Some of you are just dropping the head down. Half of the arch is gone. Yeah, and some of you are having like no weight on the hands. Seems to be all the weight at the back knee. So press the hands actively like when you are in cow position. Same. This foot press, this hand press. Those who are doing this one, the same. The hands are pressing and I keep the arch active, eyes forward. Yeah, and I'm my brain and visualizing the scorpion. Just to start preparing the mind for it. Yeah? Second leg. Engage the fingers on the floor, eyes forward, in front of you. Visualize your scorpion, 30-second hold. Good. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release it down. Very good. Now, we will bend the knee now. Yes? So, we will extend the leg up. One step inside with the hands, so we are still having shoulder, elbow, wrist. Press the knee. Yes, and now you will bend. If you can, touch, extend. 2, extend. Yes, I press the hands. Otherwise, I will be here. I need to bring one step inside. Yes. Press the knee to the wall and bend. And then the rest is a lifting from the upper body. It's not bringing more tension on the lower back. Attention with not going this side. Yeah? Keep the pelvis square to the floor. Archfully. Yes, press, 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 and bend. Yeah? Upper body lifting. Yes? Ready? 5, bend with the knee, and then the last one we hold 30 seconds. Yes? So press the straight leg, press the knee and bend towards your head. Yes? Eyes forward and visualize. 1, 2. Yes, Pragya. Eyes forward, Rima. 3. 4. Keep pressing the hands, don't let the elbows bend. 5. And hold. Stillness. Stillness. Bend the knee, Meghna, bend the knee. Nidhi, come on, you can do this. Yes, Sachni, Terency, good. Pragya, blue t-shirt, look forward, don't look down, look forward. Keep pressing the knee, arching the spine, inner elbows facing each other, Pragya, don't bring the elbows forward. Yes. Good. Anupama, yes. Rima, bend the knee more if you can. Yes. Last 7. Urvashi, yes. Leave more upper body. 6. 5. Meghna, yes. Chintamani, come on. 4. 3. 2. 1. Slowly down. Harshada and Lakshmi, I need better camera angle. Harshada, yours from the iPad is doing this zoom in, zoom out automatically. So sometimes it's going too forward. I can't see you fully. And Lakshmi, if you can give me side angle, I will be able to see you and correct you better. Shri Lakshmi. Yeah? So, second leg. Second leg, guys. Ladies. Always 2 to 3 we are ladies. Are very rare. It's all for the ladies, 2 to 3. Let's go. 1. Keep lifting upper body. 2. Yes, Nidhi, good. Come on. 3. 4. Keep pressing hands down, lifting. 5 and hold. Up with the chest. Chintamani, 1 step inside with your hands. Hold, guys. Stillness. Everyone's doing good. Find the stillness. Think of lengthening through the belly, through the upper body. It's not a bending. Pragya, careful. Elbows. Internal rotation for you. Otherwise, you're collapsing in the joint. Pranya, yes. Stay upper body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Very good. Give me 3 cat and cow. Tabletop cat and cow 3 times.
The knee is
Can I
going
ask
to
you
the
something?
Yes, Ines. Do cat and cow 3 times and then you ask me, okay? Hold the question.
Can I ask you something?
Yes. Do 3 cat and cows just to release and then ask me the question. Good. Yes, Ines?
So the weight was going very much in my lower back when on the opposite leg. So there is the leg that is extended up to bend, and then there is a a lot of weight coming to my lower back in the knee that is bended in the floor.
Ah.
And so then I feel like I could push more towards the,
So even
huh?
the right leg, you are feeling
Huh.
it here.
In the left. Yes,
So
exactly.
notice if you're leaning towards this side or you're
Yeah, I thought about it. I thought about it and I tried to align. I turned the hip inwards because I thought, oh, maybe my hip is
yes.
going out.
Sometimes it
And I
external
did it.
rotates, no? Sometimes it goes external. Instead of
See,
it goes like sorry, it goes external like this. Yeah, instead
I,
of
I tried to adjust it like that because I was thinking exactly about that, but I was still feeling a
both
lot
both
in the,
sides. So when you did
yeah,
one leg, you feel on the opposite. Is the first time you do
yeah,
this
yeah,
exercise?
yeah.
Observe because sometimes in the first time, we think we have everything fully balanced and equal, and there's maybe guys, one micro misalignment can really impact on where the load goes. Yeah. So if you tell me, Ines, every class is the same, and I check your alignment and all it's good, maybe this is not an exercise for you, but sometimes we need 2-3 times repeating the exercise to understand if it's really the exercise that it's not for us, or we are missing something so subtle that it didn't click the first day. Yes. Now is it gone or is still feeling it just
It was just in the exercise.
okay, amazing. Any other questions so far, guys?
The knee is opening to the side.
The knee is opening to the side knee.
Yes,
External rotation.
yes, that is
Yes.
happening.
The job is to internally rotate from the hip. Yeah, because sometimes the leg tends to go like this. We have
Yes,
to
yes.
keep the bones of the pelvis facing down. Yes, because otherwise when you will be up in the handstand, if you do external rotation, you will lose the balance basically. Like anything, once you have balance in handstand, you can do pretty much any shape. Yeah. It's not that it's incorrect to do external rotation, but when we are learning, we need to be in alignment. Once you learn and you have a good standing and everything, you can do any shape that your body allows you to move into. There's nothing right or wrong as long as the body feels good. Yeah? But the body needs to understand what it has to do upside down. Until then, we stick to alignment. Yeah?
I have one question.
Crazy contortions, they do crazy shapes, no? They have full control of their body, so they can do any shape external, one leg internal, other leg external. It doesn't really matter. They have control. We don't. So we have to stick. You want to do one leg in scorpion, the other leg to the side. You have the balance, do it. Nothing is wrong in that sense. Yeah? Don't think, oh, it's not scorpion because one leg is to the side. It's all good. They have control. Huh? What other question, Pragya?
Ma'am, what part to press on the wall? I think my knee is hurting when I'm pressing. I'm not able to press
This part. Upper part.
knee.
No, don't
little
press
bit up.
the knee bone. The kneecap.
Same here.
This part, Pragya, the upper part.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah? Good. Now, guys, we go on the mat. Belly down. Forearms. Feet, legs, hip distance. Yes, watch me first. You will press the forearms. Pull the chest forward. Yes, so you do this movement on the floor. Grip with the forearms, pull the chest forward. And then activate the glutes, lift the leg. 1. Activate the glutes, lift the leg. 2. Keep the chest open. Yes. Looking forward. 1. Down. 2. Down. Yes. Let's try. 5 times and then we hold. Ready? Press forearms. Look forward, guys. Look forward. Press the forearms fully. And we go lifting the legs. 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. down. 5. Eyes forward. Keep pressing forearms. 6. Last one and hold. Hold it up, 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 up. Eyes forward, guys, eyes forward. Open upper part of the chest, collarbones. Imagine you have a necklace. You want to show it off. Look, yes, Harshada. Look forward. Yes, yes. Continue lengthening. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the legs. And now we will extend arms. Yes. So, you make more space. If you have a wall in front of you, make sure you have space. Yes. We will extend arms in the V shape. Yes. So, we will lift legs and arms. 1. Control the way down. Like, don't snap. Yeah. So, you are pressing with your pelvis to the floor. You are using your core to lengthen and lift. Yes. Again, pressing with the pelvis. Squeeze the glutes, legs fully engaged. Watch my legs. I think they are not visible on camera. Watch my legs. In a V shape. Yes, so mat distance with the hands, mat distance with the legs. Forehead on the floor. I lift everything. Yes, lift as high as I can. Slowly down. 2. Slowly down. Yes? Control. You need to live with the core engaged. Those who know how to engage the Mudra Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, then you engage bandhas as well. Otherwise, think of engaging core. Let's go. Everything engage arms, legs, toes, nails, eyelashes, and up. 1. Slowly and control down. 2. And down. Good job, ladies. 3. And down. 4. And down. 5. And down. Last 2. 6. And down. 7 and hold. Up, 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 up. Maximum engagement. Eyes towards your hands. Good job, good job, good job. Stay, stay, stay. Lift higher, Urvashi. Meghna, lift higher if you can. Chintamani, lift higher if you can. Yes, 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 yes. Last 10. 9. Ines, beautiful. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Make a pillow with the hands. Rest the forehead. And then we will go to the wall. Very good. Now, ladies, we're going to the wall. Yes? Simple hold. Simple hold. So you take tabletop position, toes to touch the wall. Press, lift, walk up, extend the legs. Simple hold here. Or those who want, 1 step inside. Press, shoulders to ears. Feel the weight in your hands. Untuck the toes and hold in the most straight line that you can. Yeah, just to get the feeling of being upside down for today. To come out, if you can, to the side. Yes? 30-second hold. Everyone to the wall. We start in 5, 4, 3, two, one. Very good. Walking in. Squeeze the glutes. Straight line. Time is on, ladies. 20 more seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the wall. Slowly coming down. Wrist rotation. Opposite. Good. Now, watch me. We will go again up the wall. I think you need to see from higher. So, again, tabletop position. I press the hands. Lift up. Yes. I keep my toes untouched. Yes. I bring one step inside. Only one. And I try to bring the knees to the wall. Guys, you need to engage the core. Knees to the wall, as if you want to touch. Yes, I want you to get used to this sensation. For this exercise only, press the hands, you will look forward. If this is too far, you can go one step inside. Yes, feet together. You think of knees to touch and look forward. Don't arch fully, guys. Don't arch fully here. Okay? I just want you to get used to the sensation. You have to control the shoulders. So the hands pressing down and controlling the shoulders. Squeezing the glutes. And I think knees to the wall, eyes forward. That's it. It's a very controlled back bend. Oops, sorry. It's a very controlled back bend, yes? Very controlled. Minimum. You know that I have a good back bend, right? And you see, this is minimal. I want you guys to think of control the opening. Yes? Because when we're upside down, we cannot afford to collapse into a back bend without control. So we are controlling how much the shoulder is opening, how much the spine is arching. Legs fully engaged, huh? Top of the feet pressing so the leg is fully straight. Glutes engaged. Think knees to wall, chest forward, and that's it. Yes, 5 times. Get used to this sensation. Everyone up the wall at your own pace. Yes, Ines? Keep the knees locked though. Knees locked. Good entry, Pragya. Keep the knees locked. Yes, Nidhi, good try. I think, Nidhi, you need more close to the wall if you can. 1 step, 2 steps if you can. Good. Now lock the knees, press top of the feet. Yes, yes, good control. Sachni? Yes. Good. Meghna, yes, good job. Urvashi, eyes forward. The legs are doing a good job. Eyes forward. Keep pressing hands. Good. Pragya? Yes. Good job. Anupama Singh, legs are doing a good job. The eyes. For this exercise, eyes forward. Yeah? Chintamani, go to the wall. Eyes forward. Control, 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 control. Yes, now press. And up. Don't let the knees bend. Go one more. Terence, yes as well. Good job. Yes, Chintamani, control and up. Good. Pradnya, look forward. Eyes forward, only eyes. Pradnya? Pradnya Shelke, eyes forward. She's very focused. Pradnya, you are so focused you can't hear me. Give it a rest, guys. 5, I think everyone did more than 5, but 5 at least are done. Yeah? Sensations, guys. Any questions here? Because we're getting deeper now. Before I go deeper, any question?
When I go back, I have to keep my toes untucked too, or can I tuck them to go back?
Untucked. Top
Oh,
of the feet. I was saying before, you have to press top of the feet so the full leg is straight. Whatever the wall is touching is top of the feet. Yeah? Not tucked.
But my feet goes little bit down and up, yes, when I
Because
do.
then you are not pressing the feet. If they are going down, there's like some pressure it's missing.
Ah,
You have to press against the wall. It's two pressure. One, the hand to the floor, the other, the feet to the wall.
okay.
Yeah? Guys, I told you 1,000 times. Yes, but in yoga is usually opposite forces. Opposite forces. One pulling one way, one pulling other way. If you only pull one way, push one way, the rest collapses. It's like pretty much everything else in life. Yeah? This dynamic exists in life in so many other areas. So in Yogasana is the same. Pressure, pressure. So here, pressure, pressure. Yes? Any other question? Yes, Harshada?
Ma'am, whenever I keep my toes out, so I feel very, very cramping in my toes.
If you are engaging too much the toes, they are cramping. Yes, guys, cramping sometimes it happens, huh? She's putting all the effort. This is a good thing. But yes, it happens. Those who have done ballet like me, contemporary, that you have to engage everything till it's cramping, you know the feeling. And if you haven't done that, you know the feeling now, because once you extend everything, the toes will respond like, but when you do this pointing, 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 at some point you don't feel anything else. The toes are numb. Yeah? It's a good thing. That as long as after that they recover, it's all good. Guys, pay attention. We are going deeper, but I need your full attention, okay? Now, same thing. We go up in any way you want. Inside. Yes, one step to try it out first. So, untuck the toes. Now you can leave your feet hip distance. Hip distance, guys, doesn't mean I open my straddle, okay? Just a little bit to create less compression. You press the hands and start arching. Now your feet are not touched, so they will naturally slide a little bit. Yes? If this is too far, you go one step. But you don't want to go too close. The closer you go, the scarier it feels. Yes, so we want to learn to do this. And slowly press the hands up. You can tuck the toes to come up. Then you untuck them again. Second try. And yes, but you don't want to sink here all the weight in the lower back. Yes? You want to press and lengthen front body. Yeah?
But what is the difference with the previous one? It's almost the same, no?
No. Previous one, guys, we started straight line, one step. And the legs were together. And the only purpose was to look forward, bring weight. You see, my spine is straight. I only want to look forward and get used to this feeling. Those who were arching here in the previous one, they didn't get the exercise. It was like let's get used to the feeling before we get to the feeling. Yeah? Now we are getting into it. Now is the time. Guys, press like your life depends on it. Press, press, press. Yeah, like in cow position, press, press, lift. Yeah? Don't rush, feel the exercise. Try one time. If you have to go down, go down. Then try second time and again. Yes? Yes, Pragya, very good. Rima, yes, yes, yes. Yes, Rima. More arch, look forward more. Keep lifting chest forward, yes. Good. Pranya, Press top of the feet. Think of cow position. Look forward. Keep pressing hands down. Sajni, yes, but don't bend the knees. Yes, yes, Sajni. Good, good, good. Look forward. Beautiful. Terency, yes. Good job, Terency. Good opening. Terency Skit, what's your name? You're doing good. Look forward. Lakshmi, yes, yes, yes. More pressing hands. Look forward, look forward. Lift the chest. Lakshmi, one tiny step inside with your hands. For the next rep, for the next rep. Nidhi, I'm watching.
Ma'am, too much
One
pressure
second,
in
one
neck
second,
and
1 second. I'm watching Nidhi. 1 second, one person at a time. Yes, Nidhi, you're too far. Go a little bit closer. Huh? Good. A little bit more, Nidhi. A little bit more. You will feel more comfortable, I think. No? Is your maximum? So try the last distance that you were trying. Give a rest now and try again. I will come back to you. Yes, Pragya?
ma'am, too much pressure feeling in my neck and face. So what it's
You're feeling
will you
what? Sorry?
too much
I'm
pressure
feeling happiness on the face.
Guys, please. One person speak at a time. Please. Rima, I'm coming. 1 second. Pragya, yes?
like all the blood are on my face. I'm feeling like this. So can you check my
You're
vein?
feeling what? Pressure?
Pressure, too much pressure on my face area and neck area.
You're feeling the blood is coming to your head?
Yes.
But you're not feeling dizzy, huh?
No, but
Okay.
while I'm doing, so I'm feeling too much pressure.
Yes, in the beginning, all the blood comes to the head. As long as you're not feeling dizzy, it's all good. You don't have any medical condition, right?
No.
Okay. No high pressure, no
I'm
high
just
blood
doing
pressure.
fasting.
Huh?
I'm on fasting, fruit fasting.
Yeah.
So I wanted
Do I
cleansing.
need to tell you what to do when you're fasting?
So it is like cleansing only. So
I
it's
know, but
okay.
we are fasting and we are doing inversions. No?
Yes.
That can be part of the pressure, huh? Because okay,
I
go.
think so.
Now
I think.
already you did the whole class, so now if you have the energy, go to the wall. I'm watching you, but don't train these hard things while fasting for 1 day, 2 days, whatever fasting you're doing. If you're not having food or you're doing
No,
food and
no,
water, please don't
not
do
complete.
class. You
No,
have
no,
rest.
not completely, ma'am.
Not
I'm on
completely. What
not
fast?
completely fruit and water. Fruit fasting. Fruit fasting.
Okay, but still. It's not a complete no, but maybe not the best for your energy.
Can
Okay?
you show me the exercise also, Bhante, after?
Yes, coming, Ines. Okay, Pragya, look forward with your eyes. Keep pressing the hands. Look forward with the eyes. A little bit closer to the wall if you can. Walk more inside. With your hands. Yes, slowly. Yeah? Good. Hips to the wall. Look forward. Hips to the wall. Pragya, look forward with your eyes if you can. Too much time upside down. You need to
Not
come a
today.
bit closer, Pragya. You need to go a bit closer.
Okay.
Yeah. Give it a rest
Maybe
and
not.
try again. Eyes forward.
Yeah.
You have good shoulder opening, but now I can see the fear is blocking you from opening.
Not fear. I'm not able to actually. I'm feeling too much.
If you're
Yeah.
feeling too much pressure, you should not push. Huh? You're telling me you feel good, but you feel this pressure. But if you feel a lot of pressure, please don't push because you are on fasting. No. Take child's pose for now.
After releasing, not feeling dizzy or anything while doing it, maybe or first time.
Take child's pose. Take child's pose.
Thank you.
Rima?
Ma'am, when I look forward and more arcing, then I feel heaviness on my face.
Same thing as Pragya you're feeling. Yes. So it might be, guys, sometimes, yes, how can I say? When we are not used to be upside down, all the blood is coming here. Yes, but if we are having some nerve compression, some muscle compression here, micro compression here, Yes, the blood flow is not fully happening, or it's happening, or it's opening all of a sudden and it's coming all together. Yes. So all the blood is coming to your head. So as long as you're not feeling dizzy, take it slow. Yes, get used to the sensation. It's like the first time you're doing a handstand. All the blood comes in your head and you feel like you can't take it. So
Ma'am,
here
no.
it's new, because it's a new pose. The blood is flowing differently to you and you are feeling a new sensation. I'm saying don't force 3 reps without going to the floor. If you're feeling like this, do 1 rep, calm down, gather yourself, and then again. Because if you're being bothered by this pressure, you will be there compromising alignment. Yeah? Ines, you missed the exercise because your connection went. Watch me. Then we will do 1 more rep, guys. Huh? If you have time, we will do 2. Ines, we are going up the wall. Yes. We are going 1 step or 2 steps closer. That's it. Yes. Feet hip distance. And now you're going to look forward. Try to bring the hips to the wall. Arch. Yes. Look forward. And then you will close. Yes. In and close. 2, 3 times if you can, guys. Second round.
Could you check me because I can't understand. My arms leaning to the wall, but I see that your arms are you keep them straight all the
They
time.
don't have to lean to the wall. They have to remain straight. Otherwise,
Yes, but
how are you going to find the balance later on? The wrist, elbow, shoulder have to remain in one line. Even if I'm opening, that's the challenging. I'm opening the upper body, no? It's like a cow position, guys. I always come back to the same. This is the foundation. Here, I'm pressing and I'm opening. So when I'm in my handstand, it's the same. The hands are pressing and I'm opening this part. Just that my legs are up the wall. But this pressure is here. The moment my shoulders go backwards, it's not the same exercise, right? Because there's no pressure. Nothing is on the foundation. Here, you're getting the straight. It's all stuck. Doesn't move. Yeah? Second round, guys. Everyone up the wall. Pragya blue t-shirt. If you're feeling like this, don't do it. Huh? Try, give it a try. Rima, you also give it a try. If you feel too much pressure, come down to child's pose. Lakshmi, yes, more. Keep the shoulders on top of the wrist. So maybe 1 step inside with your hands towards the wall. Yes. Now keep shoulder on top of the wrist. Yes, 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 that's it. That's it. Pradnya, yes. Don't stay arch, Pradnya. You stay here, straight, and then again to the wall. Nidhi, try, I'm watching. Yes, yes, yes. Nidhi, keep the shoulder on top of the wrist. Shoulder a bit more forward, away from the wall. The shoulder, huh? Nidhi, almost. Yes. Don't get frustrated. Almost. The alignment is almost. There's like little difference that your shoulder is going a bit behind. But the legs are doing good. The pressure, arching is all going great. Much better than the other round. Who is, Terency, good opening. Very good, Terency. Nice. Wrist rotation, ladies, if you need. Chintamani, yes. Keep the shoulders on top of wrist, eyes forward. Harshada, yes. Good job, Meghna. Yes. Beautiful. Ladies, start coming down. Anupama, yes. Eyes forward. Good job. Very good, Anupama. Wow. Such progress, Anupama. Anupama today is collecting fruits. Fruits from
But see,
Yes,
it's very heavy in my wrists when I do the arch.
in the
I
wrist.
can't distribute. Yeah, I cannot distribute the weight to my fingers when I
Are you
arch.
feeling the shoulder on top of the wrist?
Uh,
No.
I guess so, but it's hard to tell.
No, because if you have to sing the response, you can't, it's not there. Otherwise, it would be a confident yes. You might think it's in alignment, but when it's aligned, you feel like, it's stuck. In tabletop, you know that this is stuck. And if I ask you, can you feel the shoulder on top of the wrist? You will say yes in 1 second. Now, maybe you are a little bit here. It's almost there, but you don't feel it, even if you press the hands down. So even this micro adjustment from here to here, it makes a whole difference, because here I don't feel the weight in my hands. It's only here. Something like this might be happening to you. Yes? Now, ladies, last, we will try to bend the knees. Yes. Now, we need two things. First, I need everyone's eyes to the screen. Fully, no distractions, peel your eyes. Second, when you go by yourself, you need to move slow, mindfully. Yes? Trust your body. Even if you fall, guys, if you fall, you will fall into wheel pose. So far, everyone in this class has a wheel pose. Nothing will happen. Yes? But if that happens, you have to be ready for it, because the other way to enter the wall is kicking. If you don't have the kick to the wall, it's also an issue. That's how important it is to learn the kick entry. Yeah? Anyway, this for me, it's an easier way to learn scorpion, because kicking to the wall doesn't warranty everything. Yeah? Kicking to the wall, don't do it now because we have only 5 minutes. But kicking to the wall is this. Yes? But then here, if you don't have the balance, still you will fall back. You will not reach even to start the pose. Here you have the wall to rely a little bit of the weight. So shifting more weight to the hands is relatively easier. The only thing you need to be careful is the distance to the wall, because now we've gone too close. For this one, you cannot go so close, because then you will flip, right? You will realize before you flip. That's what I'm trying to say. Nothing will happen. But I have to warn you, because otherwise we go mindless to the pose. I have to warn you. Yes? No, we go up. Confident, ladies. We go up confident, visualizing a beautiful scorpion. Now, legs hip distance, top of the feet. Guys, when we are here, before I arch, I activate everything. I make sure the hands are pressing, the shoulders are on top of wrist. If my shoulders are a bit here and I start arching here and bending the knees, it's not. You see that my shoulders are not on top. Here are on top, right? So, I engage the legs fully. Shift the shoulders on top of wrist, look forward. And I start arching from the upper body, from the front body. Yes, now you can bend one knee, see how you feel. You can bend other knee, see how you feel. To come out, press yourself up and then out. Yes?
The coming back is difficult. Press and
Coming
come
back
back.
is difficult. That's why we all gonna be super mindful. You might be able to slide deep, but make sure you are sliding out of strength, not letting your weight fall down, because if you have a deep back bend, you will slide deep. When you bend the knees, everything will be good. But when you come up, you have to be able to come up. Yes, nothing will happen like this. I'm trying to tell you only so you are mindful. Because if I don't tell this, you just go la 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 la. Yes? Mindful. Everything mindful. Yes? Try. Try, guys. I know it's scary. Try. You asked for this. I asked you in the beginning. Now it's the last bit. You can't quit now. Too late. You already did the whole class. It's like trekking. When you are almost reaching to the summit, you have a moment of like, oh my God, I can't do this anymore. I just want to go down. And someone is telling you, come on, it's 100 meters away. Go. Now is the last 100 meters you have to go. Yeah? Yes, Terence, very good. Very good. Switch legs, huh? You bend one knee, second knee. Very good, Terence. Ines, good. Eyes more forward. Shift the, yes. Slide the chest more forward, Ines, if you can. Ines, watch me. Yes, Meghna. So you can go a little bit more here. Yes. And then one knee, more chest forward. Yes. So it's not so much here, but more here. Yeah. So then eventually you can slide the other one and hold. Yeah. Everyone trying. Pranya, yes. Eyes forward, Pranya. Forward, forward. Literally forward in front of you. Mm-hmm. Other knee. Good. Meghna, yes. Meghna is trying back to back. Very good. Ines, good try. Lakshmi, yes. Eyes forward. Keep lifting chest. Slide the chest more to the wall, Lakshmi. Slide the chest more to the wall. Very good. Anupama, yes. Can't see your legs though. I think you're bending the knees. I can see the shadow. Careful, Anupama, careful going down. Are you good? Yes. Sajni, let's check. Harshada, yes, careful. Keep the shoulders, Sajni on top of wrist. Shift more weight forward to your shoulders. Pragya, blue t-shirt. I said if you don't have the kick, don't do the kick. It's not the day to learn the kick. Only those who have it. Yes, Sajni. Yes, yes, yes. Much better, much better, much better. Yes, Rima. You're trying both legs at the same time. Try one. Yes. More chest forward, slide forward, more cow position. Yes, yes, yes. A bit more, a bit more. Good job. Good job. Pranya, you've been a long time, I think, upside down. Take a break, huh? Don't spend 10 minutes upside down. Urvashi, let's check. Nidhi? No? Not today? Urvashi, more chest forward. Press the hands. Think of cow position. Slide the chest like Sphinx. Slide the chest forward, forward, forward. Lengthen from the belly, Urvashi. Try one toe towards the head, one foot towards the head. Yes. Yes. Move slow. Try other foot. Thank you, Pragya. Yes, Urvashi, very good. Come on. Up. 2 seconds of balance. Good job. So, ladies, if you commit to practice kicking, like I tell you in some classes, practice your kicking 5 times each leg every day after your class. Then you come to class and we can work on this as well because I know this one is scary, but I have to give you this one if you don't have the kick. Yeah? So, if you kick, you can slide and start going here. It's still scary, okay? But then you fall here and that's it. Still scary. But different scary. Yes? It's always in the handstand, it's always more scary when we go belly to wall. It's always like that. Yeah? But super happy with the class, huh? Super. This is, guys, this is a tough work. Yes, scorpion is another dimension of handstand. Any back bends in the handstand is another dimension, but scorpion is something else. The good thing is once you get the scorpion, it's relatively easier because it's like a counterbalance. Yes, the legs are forward. If you bring the chest forward and you have a good core control, even if you're not touching your head, there is like a counterbalance. Yes, that it holds you there. But it requires shoulder stability, shoulder strength. Yeah, if the shoulders are having a deep range but not controlled, then the movement goes back and forth, back and forth. Yeah? Everything that you're doing, sorry guys, my voice is gone. Everything that you're doing in class, back bends, shoulder opening, in all the regular classes, when we come to this class, it also serves you, huh? So everything that you're working separately works for this as well. Sorry. Now, a little bit of stretching. Let's lay down. Bend the knees either side. Catch your shins or ankles and rock side to side. Happy baby pose. Good. Now you're going to extend the arms, palms facing down either side of your shoulders. Engage the core. Bring the knees to the left almost to touch the floor. Now engage the core center and same thing to the right. Come to center and left. Core engage. Center and right. Center and left. Center and right. Last two. Center, left. Center and right. Drop the knees to the right side. Look to the left and hold. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, inhale, drop the knees to the other side. Keep the knees a little bit higher, Anupama, closer to your chest. Yes, more up if you can. You will see the difference is in the lower back. Meghna, same. Knees more high towards your chest. Yes. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Bring the hands on the inside of the knees. Rock and roll a couple of times. And take a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, bring the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment, the heart beating for you. Keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive. That you're living this life through a human experience. And the uniqueness that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Show a beautiful smile. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very happy, everyone. Guys, I know it's tough practice. You went for it. I didn't know if you guys will be up for it, but super, super, super. That everyone is up to exploring things that are scary. Yes. After that, the confidence in ourselves, it also gets boosted. No, we feel like, wow, I can do anything now. Yeah, this is the feeling. Even the small thing that we achieved today, it's like, wow. This is the feeling you have to keep with yourself for the next practice and the next practice. Yeah, it's like confident boost. Yeah, like all these back bends are not only helping us to, oh yeah, I'm bending now and la la la. They are helping you for real. This is the trusting yourself, trusting your abilities, your capabilities, your skills, trusting that you can do things that are scary and you can strive through them. This is the real teachings of the back bend practice.
So this now.
Yes?
It's my phone.
Ah, you're on the phone. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, Patty.
Thank you.